Hi guys, today I've got 4 tutorials for hairstyles in under 2 minutes. To start, we're going to smooth the hair with a brush into a low ponytail at the nape of the neck and just secure this with an elastic band. Next, we're going to add a clear elastic band a few inches from the bottom of the ponytail. Now pop a couple of fingers under the elastic band of the ponytail and pass the end of the ponytail up to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Tuck the ends back inside that roll we've just made. Now push the chignon towards the head and secure it on the right and left hand side with a bobby pin. Next, we're going to secure the sides of the chignon to the head using a bobby pin. And do this on both sides. Apply a little hairspray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy 2-minute updo. To start, we're going to section out the front of the hair, so take the hair from the ear up on both sides of the head. Bring this round to the middle at the back and join it together with a clear elastic band. Divide the remaining hair in half and clip one half out of the way for later. Now all we're going to do is a simple 3-strand braid. So split the hair into 3 sections, cross the left strand over the middle and then the right strand over the middle. Repeat this until you get to the end and tie it off with a clear elastic band. Then just repeat this on the opposite side. Now we're just going to slip our fingers behind that section that we tied off at the beginning and we're going to pass the right hand braid up and pull it through. Push this to the head and just secure in place with a bobby pin or 2. And then if your hair's long enough, repeat this one more time. And then we're just going to repeat this on the left hand side. So pop your fingers behind the section, pass the braid up and pull it through and secure it to the head with a bobby pin. And then if your hair's long enough, repeat this one more time. Wrap those tail ends around a bobby pin and then just tuck them behind that bun to hide them out of the way. And repeat this on both sides. Apply some texture spray. I'll pop the one I've used in the description box below. All we're going to do is pinch and pull at every single section of those braids to make them nice and voluminous. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy 2-minute updo. To start, pop your hair into a low ponytail. Loosen up that ponytail a bit by pulling on the elastic band and then just create a hole behind that elastic band using your fingers. Pop your fingers from one hand up and through the hole and use your other hand to pass that ponytail up to those fingers and pull it through that hole we've created so we create a small twist. Use a comb to help hide the hole from that twist and just pinch and pull at the hair to loosen it up a little bit. Next, divide that ponytail into 2 equal sections and we're going to pop a clear elastic band about 4 inches down from the hairline. And we're going to do this on both parts of that ponytail. Next, use your fingers and create a hole above that elastic band. Pop your fingers through and pull the tail ends through so we've got another little twist. And do that on the other side. Bring these two little twists together and secure them with another clear elastic band. Take hold of those twists and just roll them up until we meet the head. We're going to tuck the ends into that first hole we created when we did the first twist, and then we're just going to secure them with a few more bobby pins. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy, low messy chignon. To start, we're going to take a section of hair from the ear forwards and we're going to do this on both sides of the head. Bring these together at the back of the head and secure them with a clear elastic band. Next, with the hair that's hanging down on the left hand side, take a chunk and put your fingers behind that section we've just secured and then pass that hair up to your fingers and pull it through so it's wrapping around that section. And then just repeat this on the right hand side, so grab a section of hair, pop your fingers behind and pull it through. Push those little twists towards the head and just secure them with a bobby pin. Add some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below, and then just gently loosen up all of the hair so it's not so tight. Take the remaining hair that's hanging down and add a clear elastic band. Make sure you add this an inch or two below the hairline. Now all we're going to do is pop our fingers behind that elastic band, creating a hole going from left to right. Now simply pass that ponytail up to your fingers and pull it through the hole. Then keep repeating this until you run out of hair. Next, we're going to slide a bobby pin into the right hand side and left hand side of that little chignon we just created, just to keep it nice and secure. Add a little bit more texture spray, and then we're just going to take opposite sides of that chignon and just gently pull them outwards to loosen it up a little bit. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Tell me which one's your favourite in the comments below.